Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about capacitor and types of capacitor. In my previous lecture we have already discussed about the active and passive components, and after that we have already discussed about the resistor and types of resistor. In this lecture we will discuss about only capacitor. Let's start. Capacitor. Capacitor is a passive electronic component which is used to store the electric charge in presence of electric field. Capacitor is a passive electronic components which is used to store electric charge in presence of electric field. This is the symbol of capacitor. Here it typically consists of two conductive plates. It typically consists of two conductive plates which is separated by a dielectric. And it will dielectric will be air, paper, plastic, and any non-conductive material and any non-conductive material. This is the circuit diagram of capacitor. Here a capacitor is connected through a power supply. It is the DC power supply. It is here it is the positive terminal and it is the negative terminal. And in this capacitor, this is the positive plates and this is the negative plates. And then between the positive plates and negative plates, dielectric will be present. Dielectric will be present, and this dielectric will be air, plastic, paper, and any non-conductive materials. The general formula of capacitor is C is equal to Q by V, where Q is equal to charge and V is equal to voltage across the capacitor or across the plates. Okay. What is capacitance? What is capacitance? So capacitance is the ability of a capacitor to store the charge. It is the ability of a capacitor to store charge. Okay. And the formula of capacitance is C is equal to epsilon A by D, where epsilon is equal to permittivity of dielectric, and A is equal to area of the plates, and D is equal to distance between the plates. Okay. Now we will discuss about the types of capacitor. Types of capacitor. So there are two types of capacitor. First one is the fixed capacitor, and second one is the variable capacitor. Okay. Now we will discuss about the fixed capacitor. Fixed capacitor are those capacitors whose capacitance value is fixed. Fixed capacitors are those capacitors whose capacitance value is fixed. Okay. Example: ceramic, mica, film, and electrolytic capacitor. Electrolytic capacitors. Okay. Now we will discuss about the variable capacitor. Variable capacitors are those capacitors whose capacitance value they are not fixed. Okay. Variable capacitors are those capacitors whose capacitance value does not fixed. Okay. Example: tuning capacitor. Tuning capacitors. Okay. In case of variable capacitor, capacitance value can be adjusted mechanically or electronically. Okay. Now we will discuss about the applications of capacitor. Applications. First application is generating timing and pulse signal. Generating timing and pulse signals. Second one is the storage of energy, charge. Okay. Third one is the filtering signals in power supply. Filtering signals in power supply. And fourth one is the tuning radios. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the types of capacitor in details.